guys, today we're gonna learn on how to solve hard exponential equations like 4 raised to the x plus 4 raised to the x equals 16. 2 ways, okay? I'm just writing it. Now, let's go take a review of multiplication. I don't want to combine it to like 4 raised to 2x. Here are some common mistakes. Common mistakes. I'm just saying that. The common mistakes is that let's go say 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x equals 4 raised to 2x. No, it's not, because 4 raised to 2x is 4 raised to, according to the addition property of exponents, a raised to the b, when the bases are the same, a raised to the b times a raised to the c equals a raised to the b plus c. You add the exponents. So you need to follow that rule. 4 raised to the 2x, I can break that down into 4 raised to the x times 4 raised to the x. X plus x is 2x. We have x repeating 2 times. That's why it equals 4 raised to 2x. Second mistake here is when you think the bases are the same and the exponents are the same, you can add the bases but keep the exponent, but this is not actually true. The last mistake is adding the exponents and bases. None of these are correct. No. Do not follow that. Instead, let's go follow this. So, as we can see, we have 4 raised to the x's. So 2 times 4 raised to the x equals 16. Or you can just do this. I'm gonna write it in parentheses. We have 2 of them, so that means that represents multiplication. First step, you gotta combine them. And then, second step is to divide both sides by the factor that is not included with the x, so that is 2. That was like a 4. It should be a 16. The 2's will cancel. I'm gonna get 4 raised to the x by itself. 16 divided by 2 is 8. How can I get rid of 4 and 4 raised to the x? So first of all, I need to rewrite the bases. The common base between 4 and 8 is 2, because 2 cubed is 8 and 2 squared is 4. So let's go do a multiplication property of exponents. A raised to the b raised to the c. By the way, this is part 1 of this video, okay? Equals a, I don't know what just happened. Equals a raised to the b. That was like D and A. I don't know what happened. A raised to the BC. B times C, if you're confused. So, 4 is 2 squared. Now, write in parentheses to make the multiplication. Keep the x. 8 is 2 cubed. Now I can multiply 2x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 raised to 2x equals 2 cubed. I don't want to evaluate it because it's gonna, And then, if the bases are the same after you multiply, that means the exponents must be equal to each other. 2x equals 3. I gotta divide both sides by 2. X is 3 over 2. I will put the plugin in comments to verify that's true. Another way of solving this equation, let's go do the same way until that step. So first, I need to combine, right? Now, hold on. I like using with the dot. It might confuse you a little bit, but I don't want to use double parentheses. Okay. Now, for the common base between 4 and 16 is 2. I revised that. So 2 times 2 squared raised to the x power equals 2 raised to the 4th power. Now, let's go multiply. 2 times x is 2x. So we have 2 raised to the 2x. Now, I gotta set it equal to 2 raised to the 4th power. I don't know what happened to my cursor, but yeah. So, we can't combine. By the way, 2 has an invisible exponent of 1. So, you can write it as 1 plus 2x equals 4, 2x plus 1. Neither of them are the same. Okay? But the one you need to be careful here is, here's the mistake again. 2x plus 1 is not equal to 3x. You can't combine like terms. Think of fractions like terms. So we can't combine it. So we just leave it as 2 raised to the 2x plus 1 equals 2 raised to the 4th power. Now, after I did that, I can set the exponents equal to each other since the bases are the same. To get x, y itself, I need to subtract 1 to both sides. The 1 to cancel. 2x equals 4 minus 1, which equals 3. I need to divide both sides by 2. X is 3 over 2. Bye, guys. I hope this helps you.